Alright, so my Jeep's got a wonky idle. There's a million and one reasons why it might have a wonky idle, anywhere from O2 sensors to a vacuum leak to blah 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 blah. First place to start, and it's free, is throttle body. You have the idle air control valve, throttle position sensor, the map sensor, manifold air pressure sensor. I would suggest taking the map sensor out because I'm not sure if the cleaners will damage it, and it wouldn't hurt to take all the sensors out. And if you got the coin, now's the time to replace them. Well, enough of me babbling on. Let's go do it. Start by removing the resonator and the intake tube. You don't have to take the resonator off, just kind of swing it out of your way.
Yeah, it's looking gunky.
There's 4 10mm bolts holding it in. But first, pry off the throttle body cable and unplug the sensors. They each have a different plug, so there's no chance of getting them mismatched and crossed. And now she comes. All you're gonna need is throttle body, some brake cleaner or carbon choke cleaner, a brush, a T20 Torx, and a T25 Torx for the map sensor, and a rag. I removed the map sensor because I'm not too sure what the cleaner will do to it. Remove the idle air control valve. Hit it with some cleaner and gently scrub it. Try not to push and pull the piston on it. Clean the rest of the throttle body. Pay close attention to where the butterfly closes. There's usually a ring of gunk in there. Alright, it's all fairly clean. Everything's working smooth. There we go. Let's see, I think it goes with the out. I was wrong. The idle air control plug faces into the throttle body. If it's like that, there's no room to plug it in. Make sure you got the O-ring on it. Torque specs on this is a 1/8 pass snug. Silicone paste. Reinstall the map sensor and she's ready to go. Right, clean the mating surfaces. Usually it just takes a little bit of rag and a little bit of brake clean. Plop the throttle body on, reinstall the 4 bolts, making sure not to cross thread them. The manifold is made out of aluminum and it's easy to do. Ask me how I know. Clip on the throttle cable. The idle air control is facing the wrong way. I have the plug facing out when it should be facing in. I put a little silicone paste on all the electrical connections. I put that shit on everything. Reinstall the resonator and intake tube, tighten it all down, and you're done. Easy peasy. Alright, there you go. Wonky idle. I do this every year on my Jeeps. It's my annual maintenance. I clean the throttle body. It's free to do. Well, not free. You pay a couple of dollars for the gasket. You can reuse your old gasket if you're careful. I don't recommend it. And you can even make them out of a cardboard from a 12-pack or a cereal box. But again, I don't recommend it. Just buy the gasket. They're cheap enough. Alright, so if this hasn't put you to sleep, check out my podcast, 7 Minute Off-Road Podcast for the off-roader short attention span. There'll be a card for it up there. I can't believe I said that all in one breath. Whew, lung capacity. Yay. Alright, if you're still sticking around, check out one of these videos. This one's a good one. Check out that one down there. That's a good one too. And don't forget to hit subscribe and like and all that other jazz. And as always, thanks for watching.